And we have everything from product research going into keyword research when you already have a product you want to sell and you want to get listed, as well as analytics, marketing, how to track your competitors, how to make sure that you're ranking at the top of the page. Imagine all the keywords that you want to show up at the top of the page for on Amazon, because obviously people are already going to Amazon. It's a trusted source to purchase, it's a behavior that's ingrained in our culture today. And how
Hmm.
can we capitalize on that? We want to be at the very top of these pages. That's where all the traffic is. And so it might not make sense for you to go in individually on every page that's relevant to your product once you found a profitable product and you have it listed. But we have tools that can help you quickly go in and at a glance be able to see where are you ranking and how is that ranking changing. Because actually, if Vova and I pulled up the same exact search term, he will have a different ranking for those products than I
Hmm.
will too, because we're in different locations, or search history is different, and so forth. As well as things for ads. So when you are running ads, you might have a whole lot of campaigns, and it's a lot to manage figuring out where am I wasting my spend? And so you can go in
Hmm.
and see, where am I having 20 clicks but no sales? And how can I quickly negate that term? How can I find all the ones that are converting in my auto and broad match campaigns and move them into exact match campaigns when my ACOS is way, way too high? How can I make that so it actually makes sense and is profitable for my business overall? So things like this can be answered through our tools, and it can help you save a whole lot of time, money, and energy. I would know, because when I was getting started in ecom, I did not use these tools, my friends. I was doing this stuff manually, and it was
Hmm.
way more time consuming than it is today. So you are lucky to be able to access things like this. I've also used other software tools, and this blows it out of the water by a mile. And we're going to just kind of dive into exactly what the difference between the plans are so you can figure out what is right for you.